we've made a create table API at debitch/make/tab/tab hex, this path right here, which executes this function here. Here is the body of that code. You might notice that this looks almost like a cut and paste of this. And you might be like, why are you repeating yourself? Dry principle, blah, blah, blah. And I say to you, shut the fuck up, Uncle Bob Martin, okay? Because you know what happens when you start trying not to repeat yourself? You get this fucking crazy bullshit. Look at this routing here, right? Because we don't want to repeat ourselves. Now, we actually did this because, we didn't want to add a whole bunch of code for all these individual paths. But, take that dry principle with the fucking grain of salt, my friend. Okay, we added a little note right here, and then right here is the actual core function that the API is executing. So it just does the run SQL command with our create table statement, and it returns a promise. Pretty simple, right?